Another great feature when you have a list of fan pages that you retrieve, is the discover feature you can find here in the action column. If you click here on discover, gonna to another tab, you can see that I have a list of posts of that page, and the post can be a photo, so a post containing a photo or containing a video, and I can have that ordered by most liked, most commented, and most shared. So here you see the most popular ones, and that is very important, because what you can do is, first of all, you can view. You can click on view. I'm gonna click on a new tab, okay, and you go to Facebook, and you can see directly that post. Okay, it's an image. Here you can see, here we are, as you can see here. Okay, you can see this image, or you can post. Okay, I'll click on post, and here you can see that you can decide to post this in one of your fan pages. So I suggest you to have more than one fan page where you can promote a single product or into a single niche, or you can select one of the groups. So try to be added to as many groups as possible, especially in your niches. Okay, so fan pages, your own, or groups. Okay, and you choose the group. Okay, here we are. You can decide this one, and then you have a caption. Here is the text of this post, and you can decide also to send this out at a certain time, random, every 1 minute to 2 minutes. Okay, and you can schedule. This is the post date and the post time. If you don't want, you can just send it soon, and you decide which time zone you're going to do this. Okay, and then you can accept or cancel. Okay, you can do the same here. I'm gonna view this. I'm gonna post. Okay, like that. And the last one setting is being also saved, unless I can choose also another one if I want, and so on. So you can do automatic posting. So this is very, very useful tool, because you can retrieve all this information, you know, in fan pages of your niche. You know which kind of posts have been created and how many people like, commented, and share. So you see the popularity of this. You can also share the same post in your pages too. This is very important, because if you give content to your users, this will increase, of course, your popularity, and then people will come back to your fan pages. Otherwise, if you're very silent, of course they will forget you. So you give sometimes advertising, sometimes you give content. So this can be also useful content for them, so they will get back to you to see some content. Sometimes they will see your affiliate link and they will purchase from you, and so on. So you need to do as in a blog, a fan page. You need to have people reading useful content, and also sometimes content where you promote something.